Hi there, and welcome to Breaking Down Nigerian Pidgin English. I'm Bafo, welcoming you to Word and Expression of the Week. K-leg is an idiosyncratic Nigerian English expression for what native English speakers call knock knee. K-leg means more than knock knee in Nigerian Pidgin English. The expression get K-leg is often used figuratively to refer to something that has gone awry, suspicious, or not just right in any way. For example, that story wey Paul tell us get K-leg, I no believe am. E be like say that business no pure, e get K-leg. I no wan involve myself for anything wey get K-leg. Be careful not to get involved with anything that has K-leg. That's the wrap for Word and Expression for this week. See you in our next edition. Take care and God bless.